Bitcoin money sort of has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a very large manner. BCH United States dollar exchanges close $184.24, which is very huge. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking in opposition to prevalent thinking. The really current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money generally is at $182,587,839, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking, which is very critical. 21 August 2023. In this video we will walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now, or for certainly genuinely 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some things, facts. What generally is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Basically by and large is BCH a sort of especially wise speculation, which generally most certainly is genuinely critical, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on. So Bitcoin money especially has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in an unpretentious manner. Yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the BCH specialized investigation, especially let us basically discuss the extremely current economic situations, which most certainly is very huge. Market investigation over the very in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, they're quite all expectations and objects, was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,047,585,515,720, which sort of is genuinely critical. The essentially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $28,364,522,647 in a very fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is very huge, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in a very significant manner in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value lessening of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours. So market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there actually fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely sort of whole digital currency market to $1,047,585,515,720. Or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time span, showing that however prior to jumping extremely profound into the BCH specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense in every practical sense. Discuss the in every practical sense, beautiful current economic situations, in an actually especially enormous manner. Or so they thought. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 4.6 and right now exchanging at 51 cents. So Bitcoin money sort of has a medium-term opposition at $119.28. Which truly is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions explicitly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a very descending bearing for transient in an entirely significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Right now, a by and large truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Especially in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically essentially are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish all things considered, certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Sort of additional appearance how which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24%. In an all things considered, genuinely significant way. Support certainly sort of is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become all things considered, all the more genuinely dynamic, and for the most part, truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on. So Bitcoin Money certainly has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, which by and large is very critical. Similarly, opposition by and large generally is a level at which vendors essentially move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become more exceptionally dynamic and certainly really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So Bitcoin Money support and obstruction levels and so on. So Bitcoin Money explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in a fundamentally huge manner, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin Money, BCH, Bitcoin Money execution. The entirely current Bitcoin Money cost in a real sense is $184.24, with an exchanging volume of $182,587,839 in the truly beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in an unpretentious manner. At present, BCH generally is somewhere near 2.12% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,589,309,808 United States dollars. So Bitcoin Money backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to basically explicitly recognize in every way that really matters, sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. All things considered, further appearance how which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for 21 August 2023, insight and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, especially made sense of underneath, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours, so market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,047,585,515,720, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving actually fundamentally normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including reasonably truly straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA 2 for the most part,